I've talked to contractors before who build homes in larger commercial buildings. And I've asked them, so if the foundation is off, even a 1/16 of an inch or more, a little bit more, and the structure goes up, it could be in the workplace, it could be in the home. The structure goes up on a foundation that's not that level. What happens? They say it, they've told me over and over again, the higher the structure goes up, the more out of balance it is and the less level it is. You get doors that don't fit, windows that don't close, cracks in the walls. So if you don't have a perfect level foundation, nothing goes right from that point. Now I want you to think about the workplace and I want you to think about the home. If that foundation of trust, which is supposed to be true and dependable, is not level, things go wonky from that point on. This is what I want to talk about here in the coming weeks. This has been Bill Gallagher with Straight Talk. Hey, by the way, I want to thank you for our new subscribers. You can like this, subscribe to it, but most importantly, keep your ear to the ground for anyone that you might know that is in the workplace and the trust is broken and the morale is very, very low. We have some hope there, and for the home as well. Thank you very much.